Once upon a time, we used to have the Safari Leica line. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thomas Love here from beautiful Vancouver, British Columbia, and today I'd like to discuss with you this newly announced and not yet released Leica SL2s Reporter. This is coming from what back in the days used to be the Safari line. The Safari line was this beautiful camouflage line with green color, and it had both camera bodies and lenses matching the body. So I'm thinking about the Leica R3, the M240, not to mention the Leica M10 with those beautiful three Safari lenses, 28, 50 and 90mm. Of course, 90mm is not enough for you to shoot wildlife. I mean, that cougar, that bear would be far too close to you to feel safe. But nonetheless, that was the camouflage line which people appreciated and purchased along the years. And now it has been replaced with this Reporter version because we are more modern, we are more urban. So now we're having this Reporter line with Kevlar coating, despite we cannot really call it Kevlar, but we saw the Leica M10P already, and that body would eventually match the former Safari lenses because it's a different nuance of green. And then we saw the Reporter Leica Q2 and Leica Q2 monochrome, and as of last week the Leica SL2s, which I was ready to order and make mine, especially taking advantage of this recent promotion which is for the Leica Club owners, family and friends. And so basically you are having, if you purchase by October 31st, a discount of a few $100s or certain models. And then when I got my code, I double checked and the Leica SL2s Reporter was not included. So it would be either the Leica SL2 or SL2s regular version, so the black version, just to be clear. And I was almost happy to pull the trigger and get this SL2s Reporter, which I really like. I don't need it though, but I have to send in my Leica Q2 for a cosmetic repair, and if you missed the episode about when I dropped my camera, find it up here. But apart from that, I thought that this SL2s would have been a valid substitution for the time while I was without the Leica Q2. I'm still thinking about it, especially because I'm also waiting to see this Leica Q3, which is coming next year, what it's bringing to the table. But this SL2s that they sell as specific for video is a very valid product. Why it is very good? First, because it has the Maestro 3 processor, and then it also has a BSI sensor. So together with this 24 megapixel sensor, BSI, Maestro 3, the newly released firmware update with face recognition, eye recognition and tracking, and that would be very good for you to shoot videos, especially because it is the only Leica camera with an HDMI port, so you might eventually connect to it an external monitor or recorder. So this said, is the Reporter version adding anything to the technical specs compared to the base version? Nothing, it's exactly the same camera, it's just more appealing, and also it's a limited edition, so eventually for collectors that might be some value. But apart from that, it's the usual SL2s camera which we learned to love and appreciate. You will have the choice of this very wide offering within the M-mount. So the SL lenses are very good, they are super sharp, especially the prime lenses. But if you don't want to invest that much money right away, you can turn yourself toward a different brand. I'm thinking about Sigma or whatever other M-mount lens you might be able to find, because they are also very good and sharp lenses for a fraction of the price. So this said, now we're seeing a few examples of photos shot with this beautiful Leica SL2s combined with different lenses from the SL mount, for the L mount, from other brands mount. And so you will see that the results are very pleasing. All these lenses are very bright and sharp. The camera is not delusional. The camera is a great camera. It's a very good companion for you. This is not the usual rangefinder, it's a modern Leica camera mirrorless with all the knowledge they could put into those beautiful SL prime lenses. So make up your mind. If you really need that, please let me know down here in the comments. If you got any value out of this video, please remember to like it, share it on your social media, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the new videos to come, and I guess I will see you later. Thank you. Bye.